it really is a very value-packed package that we've launched.
It sounds very customer-centric, but also very industry-focused.
Yeah, that's the point. I think a lot of the other solutions that are in the marketplace, they're not first and foremost serving the industry, in our opinion, and in the opinion of a lot of other workshops. So what we're trying to do is ensure that what we're doing is working in the workshop's best interests.
Mm-hmm.
Like, as you know, Mechanic started on the workshop floor. It didn't start in a marketing agency. So, we want to see workshops succeed. We don't want to see, the roller doors come down on workshops that have been around for decades.
Yeah.
There's no reason that needs to happen. And in our mind, Evolve is a solution that is going to help workshops move forward.
Brilliant.